Welcome to RedSling, the world's first platformless no-code development environment, empowering businesses to create full-stack, scalable applications effortlessly. With RedSling, you can build and deploy enterprise applications 10x faster, without writing a single line of code. Unlike conventional no-code or low-code platforms, RedSling doesn't lock you into a proprietary ecosystem. Applications built on RedSling are deployed as containerized application Docker images, allowing you to run them on any cloud or on-prem infrastructure without relying on a specific runtime environment. With RedSling's advanced UI builder, creating intuitive, pixel-perfect, and responsive interfaces is a breeze. Drag and drop and design dashboards, data visualizations, or interactive control panels. RedSling gives you complete design freedom with precision styling. Need powerful application logic? RedSling's Logic Builder allows you to define sophisticated workflows, automate processes, and integrate seamlessly with third-party APIs, databases, and IoT systems, just like coding, but without the complexity. RedSling enables teams to build, iterate, and deploy full-stack applications up to 10x faster than traditional methods. Speed, scalability, and security without compromise. RedSling brings so much more, including powerful AI with conversational intelligence and native Snowflake integration. Plus, next-gen 3D modeling to visualize, simulate, and interact in real time with robotic arms and sensors. The future is bright with RedSling. RedSling and DXC are working together on innovative projects that push the boundaries of technology and digital transformation. A leading automotive manufacturer faced a critical challenge: optimizing the energy efficiency of assembly line Franka Emika robots, a data visualization and control interface. RedSling application was built by DXC Innovation Labs. They needed a next-gen solution fast. Enter DXC Innovation Labs and RedSling. Leveraging RedSling's native integration with Snowflake, DXC Innovation Labs developed a cutting-edge web application for real-time robotic control and energy optimization. The solution involved RedSling application natively integrating with Snowflake to capture the historical AI and ML data of robotic movements, and provided operators with a data visualization and responsive control interface application to visualize and control robotic movements. Impact of solution: real-time AI-driven energy optimization, seamless robotic system integration, pixel-perfect UX for operators, secure, scalable deployment on any infrastructure.
In the alpha phase of the innovation process, we identified customers with interest in joint pilot projects. In the beta phase, we were able to implement these projects and build expertise in technology. Developers were also trained, and with a common collaboration model, further projects were implemented. RedSling use cases include robot control and analytics application, telemedicine mobile app, digital transformation in finance sector and manufacturing. We use these capabilities flexibly and independently according to the challenges of our customers. In addition, we complement these services in development projects with services such as project coordination, requirements analysis, advisory, our developers, and, if necessary, higher-level system integration of the developed applications. This reduces the time and increases the flexibility with which we provide such development projects for the customer. In this regard, our customers can of course rely on our qualified advisory services and our security standards.
RedSling is revolutionizing enterprise application development, making it faster, smarter, and limitless. Whether you're optimizing robotics, managing IoT devices, or building enterprise solutions across industry verticals, RedSling empowers you to innovate without boundaries. Together with DXC, a global leader in technology and digital transformation, we're driving the future of enterprise solutions, combining RedSling's cutting-edge no-code capabilities with DXC's expertise in scalable, mission-critical technology. Discover the power of RedSling today.